Hello guys, we're gonna see our kids. So what did you choose for me today? Okay, we choose, whoa. Okay, don't push the button, a Christmas adventure. Ooh, this is Christmas. And it's written by Bill Cotter. Okay, so whoa. You think you know really? Okay. I think it's kind of hard, but whoa. You know Larry's rule. Don't push the button. Yeah, it does look. Yeah, don't push the button. Santa's on his way. You don't want to end up on the naughty list, do you? Yeah, but it looks so pretty. Like that one. Gosh, it sure is pretty though. I just said that, Larry. Okay, one teaching push. There. Golly! You turned me green like a Christmas tree. Push it again! Okay. Now I really look like a Christmas tree. Okay, that's enough. Push the button 2 times to make me purple again. 1, 2. Yikes! I look like a candy cane. Push the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hey, watch it, buddy. Quick, shake the book to get rid of these elves. You want Santa to be mad at me or you? Okay. No. Oh no! All that shaking made it snow. Try pushing the button super hard. Okay, I'm pushing it as hard as I can. Okay. Hey, watch it. Wait, hey you! That's my nose! Okay, that's it. I can see Santa coming! Quick, clap your hands to get me back to normal. Okay, let's see. Is that it? Okay, that's it. Larry, I'm so glad I found you. I need you and your friends to start my sleigh. Can you help me start Santa's sleigh? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, push! That's a big spin here. Oh, worked! Merry Christmas. It's almost Christmas and Santa is coming. So whatever you do, don't push the button!